So good. Welcome back, guys. I'm Destiny Crystal and you're watching DK Hair Tips. So for today's video, I will be showing you a couple of things. One is how to do a bleach bath on hair that you either have had for a while or is new and you would like to make it softer. And I will also be trying out a new method for coloring hair that I've actually never done before. And thirdly, I will be doing a mini review on ISee hair, their Mongolian body wave. If you watched my last vlog, I let you guys know that I ordered 4 units from ISee hair. The last video I did was on the Indian strain and this one is the Mongolian one. I've had this hair for almost about a year. I've worn it multiple times, hence why I'm doing the bleach bath today on this hair and adding some tracks to it. Of course, all of this information will be provided below. And I feel like it turned out perfectly. Like, I love how soft the hair is. Even when I bought it, it was really soft, but the bleach bath really does make it softer. So we'll be playing a fun game of tried it, failed it, did it. And at the end of the video, we'll reconvene and figure out if it worked or not, just to keep you guys a little entertained. about you guys, but I definitely failed this one. This was a complete failed it. But the reason why I failed it was because, as you can see, the hair really didn't color. It has a bit of a tint, but I just feel like that's from the bleach bath, because when she do a bleach bath, it strips the hair of all of its color and brings it back to its natural state. So now it's kind of like an off black, but it's still, you know, in the group of black. So I won't be trying this method again. I will be trying different bits and parts of it in a different way again. But the specific method that I used, which was, you know, washing the hair or bleach bathing the hair, then wetting it, then dyeing it, then after that putting it in the microwave so the heat can activate the color. I probably won't be doing that again. And I certainly don't think I'll be using Dollar Tree dye again. Okay, because that was part of the process too, is trying to figure out, like, do the dyes that they sell at Dollar Tree actually work? I think for this method, if you are wanting to try it, you should certainly use like proper bleach, like bleach that they sell at the beauty supply, and the activator for the bleach, and get a specific color that you'd like to dye the hair. That will probably most likely work, especially if you throw it in the microwave. It'll activate the color. That I know from experience, because I've done that before. But this method that I tried, girl, sis, huge fail. Okay, we're not doing that again. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my website so you can get personal notifications anytime I have new content. Please do not forget to comment and like the video. Your interaction does matter. And lastly, connect with me on social media at Destiny Crystal. Until next time, guys. Bye.